Hello friend, today we will discuss about the GUI programming in Python through Tkinter. Before starting, we should know what is GUI programming. So first we are going to discuss with what is GUI programming. As we are knowing about the GUI it means graphical user interface. It allows the user to interact with a computer program using a pointing device that manipulate small pictures on a computer screen. GUI programming involves the use of a number of predefined components such as button, checkbox, text field, windows, menus, etc. You can see in the example, all are the example of that GUI programming. But how that GUI programming can be developed in Python? Because when we interact mostly, then we are seeing that thing. Python is providing either the console based or idle based programming concern. So how we can develop the Windows application? If we talk about the Python, it provides various options to develop GUI programming. Here the Tkinter, that is the first one, that is a standard library that is inbuilt in Python. Whenever you install the Python, automatically it is included in it. So you can use the GUI programming with it. Another is WX Python, that is a cross-platform GUI API or the application that is being used to develop programming. And JPython. JPython is implementation of the Python programming language designed to run on the Java platform. So these three are there, those we have to use. But the most popular or easiest way to develop GUI programming is Tkinter. So we can use with the Tkinter, and with the help of it we can develop the program. So if we talk about the Python through Tkinter or the Tkinter, so first thing we have to remember few basic concept related to it. Tkinter is a Python binding to the TK GUI toolkit. It is the standard Python interface to the TK GUI toolkit, and it is basically used to develop the user interface in whatever pattern that you want. If we talk about the Tkinter or the Tkinter, it provides us the GUI interface, and we have to follow these four things, four terms that is needed. First, we have to import the module Tkinter. Second, for the graphical user interface application, we have to create a main window. Third, we have to add one or more widget like label, button and other controls that is needed as per our requirement. And fourth is that is join the user triggered primary event loop to take action against each case. So whenever we develop the Windows application or the GUI application in Tkinter, we have to use these four steps always. We will see through the example. This is our first program that is being there. First we have import the Tkinter library. So you can see from Tkinter import star that has used to import the Tkinter library or the Tkinter standard library. For creating the windows, we have used name window equal TK. So TK is a GUI toolkit that we are using. So we have created the window with the help of it. We have given windows.title, that is for the title bar whatever information we have to give. I have written Python GUI, that's why it is coming here. And the main loop that is needed for the Windows main loop, and you can see when we run that program then we will get the interface like this. So that will be the GUI that we are using here. Except this, we are also discussing here because in GUI, because we have not fixed the size of the window, that's why it is coming in the small size. Then after we can drag and it, and make its size. So we can use the another concept here for set the size of the window in a widget. So if we talk about this window, the same program is there. Only the one thing we have added, geometry. That geometry function is being used to give the dimension to the window. So you can see here that 400 by 400, so it has created the size of 400 by 400 in this, and then same procedure we have followed in this. So that was all about the basic programming that was there. In next tutorial we will discuss about how to add buttons and labels and text box, and through which we will see the different programs and we can use them. Till thank you, have a nice day. If any doubt will be there, you can freely ask, and also uh, like and also comment the things. Thank you, have a nice day.